When you see him, them of viewers, one of the low life bad boy, them a try kick off the people them door if you go rob them business place. Mama they in there scream out and a ball for help before she call police. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. Plus, me go on a little history about Top Jungle and 90. You no notice say as Bobo this 90, him drop on him face. Not even him gathering could have save him. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make you know what I go on, pre this. When you see him, them viewers, that low life bad boy they a try take off the people them door for go rob the people them business place at Trinidad. And him a go need more than American porridge and bulgur for take off that door there. Cause Nasi said that door there nah budge all now him a kick. Mama they inside a ball boy help and a scream before she call the police them for come hold on the low life dirty boy. My viewers, be show another video there you know. For sure no say you know, see it there. All at Trinidad. All over the Caribbean, the youth them now want work. Them a prey upon the citizens them of them country. For terrorize the people them. Feel like say robbing people thing and taking people thing a go make you rich in a life. That no bring no achievement get to youth. Who na go tell you no youth them say. Who na take kind of life and a that make them a survive. I better no for who no go look at work. Cause no matter go get splash out in the middle of the road me a tell you no. Him feel lucky say mama never have her license metal there so. If slam some through the door or through the little thing there so and pronounce him there so. So as I say, see low life bad boy them there in a Trinidad I try take off door if you go rob business place. So no walk with me and now go on a little history about Top Jungle and why as Bobo this 90 so him marrow get splash out. The gathering pan him finger couldn't even save him. So my people, 90 are one of them long time bad boy there you know. They are prison from Wappy kill Philip, you know. And as 90 gone to prison, other man ya did around the place. Ziggy. Till Ziggy stop take talk from 90 and feel like saying bigger than 90 system. Till 90 make Bembo man them bust out him head. Then 90 put in Ichipang in power. Till Ichipang a govern the place. Backs up Willie Agat's son. This up a whole heap of people. Nah take no talk from 90 again. Till 90 use Bobo. Fi bust out Ichi head. Till see it ya now, Bobo start run the place and make talk say him nah take talk from 90 again. Till 90 use Bap fi bust out Bobo head. So wanna think I got me to Bap when 90 tired of him or when Bap feel like say him nah take no talk from 90 again. Same fate him a go meet. 90 a go use another youth fi come dopey your Bap. So you can stay there, you get a youth, make some man program on no man. And tell you how to live on a life. Una run up and down and look ratings from some man. And a fight for the old dirty lane and the dirty scheme where a million man come dead over. So as I say, 90 are the foundation for Top Jungle. When you talk about Top Jungle, from you go around 90 system, you go drop on your face. Remember me always telling you, say jungle is a wild west, you know. I mean I advise no youth to pick up badness at them place, you know. Cause you nah go last long. As you born, you gone, me I tell you no. See Bobo there, start make talk on 90 name, say no 90 system round here, and what reach him. Not even him gathering could have saved him. Bobo just up in him Friday best, and they will make it to up the road for go buy the bag of weed. Flat pan him face in him Gucci shirt, wallaby clocks, and gathering pan finger. The Obia man owe the youth family them a refund. Cause no tell the youth say him did a go live long after him dopey Ichipang. Who no lie to him till see it they know. Him own a friend Bobo. Him own a friend Bob. Come slap out him head with him little right hand me I tell you no. So get to youth, no loyalty no inna this. No man no care about no man. Tell you no say badness is a using thing you know. Friend always a go turn enemy you know. Look pon this thing ya. Eh? No be a friend a dash to a friend. No be a man a dash to a man. All because them a take program from a man where they pan cell block. So as I say my people, Bobo drop on him face in him gathering. After him this 90 and so you say him reach now till see it there. So my viewers, until next time you know, and stay safe out there. Protect phone tree road. No loyalty, no inner badness get a youth. The dance and the general them does a use no. Till see it ya. Them send no own a friend fi come bust out on the head. So until next time my people, things set a way boy ya. How long Bobo last? After him dopey itchy. Not even 2 years.